Many people perform Umrah on the 27th of Ramadan and consider it a great virtue, which further increases the number of pilgrims in the Haram. The question is whether there is any special virtue of performing Umrah on the 27th day of Ramadan or the 27th night in the hadiths, and how is it to perform Umrah on the 27th night? In the blessed hadiths, the virtue of performing Umrah in Ramadan has been mentioned. The reward of Umrah in Ramadan has been declared equal to the reward of Hajj, and in one tradition, the Prophet has declared performing Umrah in Ramadan as equal to performing Hajj with him. However, in Sahih al-Bukhari, it was narrated on the authority of Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, that he said, "The Messenger of Allah, may God bless him and grant him peace, asked an Ansari woman, 'What is the obstacle for you to perform Hajj with us?' She replied, 'Many people perform Umrah on the 27th of Ramadan and consider it a great virtue, which further